This training video will guide you through how to output a 2D layout of your design. Expand the top left panel and select the 2D icon. This automatically generates a 2D drawing output which you can save to your computer by selecting the folder icon. To return back, simply click the Home icon. The 2D output is a multi-page PDF document. The number of pages may vary depending on the size of the park and the number of features. The first page provides a general overview of your design. The second page labels each feature and lists them in a full bill of materials. The third page includes details pertaining to your pad, including pad dimensions and area.